In my previous vlog, I showed where I was making this delicious and yummy oats pancake, which my kids absolutely and totally enjoyed. And I got a few questions of some of you were asking me, please, can you make a full detailed video on how you made this oats pancake and what you used? So I decided to make a full detailed video on this. I hope you guys enjoy it. Now here are all the ingredients I'll be using. You can screenshot it or you can pause the video and copy them out. So the first thing you want to do is to add your oats into a blender. Blend until it turns into flour. Just make sure it's very smooth. Now to that, add some milk. You can use any milk of your choice, like almond milk, coconut milk, like basically use any milk of your choice. Then add your egg. You can double or triple all the ingredients I listed here depending on the quantity of pancakes you are making. Now add the plain yogurt. Add the honey, the cinnamon powder, the baking powder, add the vanilla extract, add some coffee flavor, that is if you have coffee flavor, but if you don't have it, you can skip it. Now finally add the banana. Now we are going to go back to the blender machine and blend everything until they are well blended and very smooth. As you can see, I already placed my frying pan on the gas cooker, and to that I'm going to be adding just a teaspoon of coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but definitely not palm oil, okay? So I'm just stirring the mixture, the batter, just making sure that everything is well incorporated and very nice. So I poured it into the pan. Make sure that the oil heats up before you pour it into the pan. Just pour about enough, like the size you want your pancake to be. That is how much you are supposed to pour inside the pan. Leave it to cook for 2 minutes on both sides. Just leave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can come back and flip it over and allow it to cook for another 2 minutes, and repeat the same exact steps. Add your oil, let it heat up, pour the batter, allow to cook for 2 minutes, flip it over, allow it to cook for another 2 minutes, and it's done. Guys, it is super easy and very simple. It tastes so delicious. It is so healthy. You can top it up with any fruit of your choice. We are enjoying ours with some strawberries and some sliced bananas. So here I'm just drizzling some honey on top of it. You can use maple syrup if that's what you have or if that's what you want. Guys, you can come and join us. I invite every one of you to the table to come and join us. As you can see, my kids are really enjoying this. So I want you guys to give it a try and let me know what you think. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.